Wow, 80% off on Baggit, right? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Today we'll see how is the Baggit bag. This is a duffel bag, and you've got 80% offer on Baggit bags. I'll provide the links in the description box. You can check it out if you want to buy. As you see in the picture, this is how the bag looks. It's of good quality, sturdy, stylish, trendy, and it's handy. You can fit 10 sets of clothes in the bag. It has got 3 zippers. So I have put here a few clips of the bag. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. You've got 80% offer still on Baggit bags. You can go check out my description box to buy the bags if you like. Do subscribe. Good day and keep smiling always. Yes.